Well, now let's see what efficiency and effectiveness is all about. First, let's see the effectiveness. It is concerned with doing the right task. So, effectiveness is nothing but it is doing the right task. So, in any organization, it is an expectation from the top level management that things given to a subordinate must be executed in a right manner without any disturbance or without any hanky panky. So, thus we say effectiveness is nothing but doing the right task, and it also emphasizes completion of the activities and achieving the goals in other terms. So, doing the right task, or it can be said as completion of the activity. So, completing activity and achieving goals can be said as effectiveness. In other words, it is said as it aims at the end result, that is finishing the task. Aims at the end result, that is task completion. So when anyone asks you what is effectiveness, you can say any one among these three or all the three are the right one. Effectiveness is nothing but doing the right task, or else it is completing the activity and achieving the goal. Or in simple terms, its focus or its aim is to complete the task that is assigned and achieve the end result. So, aims at the end result. This is what the effectiveness is all about. Now, let me move on to the next concept, so called as efficiency. The next concept is efficiency. What is efficiency? We are going to see efficiency. Can anyone tell me what is efficiency? It's something related with effectiveness because they both are interrelated. Yes, efficiency is nothing but it means doing the task correctly. Here it is doing the right task. Here it means doing the task correctly and with minimum cost. So here comes the most important aspect, cost. So efficiency means doing the task correctly with minimum cost. Now, you need not just by heart the terms as given up. You can understand with some clue words. Here, okay, you have three options: doing the right task, or aiming at the end result, or completing the activity and achieving of the goals all that. Here it says doing the task correctly with minimum cost. Both the first point in this effectiveness and efficiency might be overlapping, but you have one clue word over here is alphabet C. You need to see that properly. In efficiency, correct, cost, both comes into the picture. So C is a clue word. Doing the task correctly, because this also aims at a task, this also aims at a task, but here the task has to be performed correctly and with the minimum cost. So the cost aspect is most important when it comes to efficiency. Any doubts so far? Fine. And we can also say, in other words, that efficiency is nothing but less resource and more benefits. So we can say this in other way as less resources and more benefits. When the one more we can say over here is fewer resources and same benefits. Now here if you see, you have got two aspects, less resource, fewer resource. Both means one and the same. You have less limited resources or you have only few resources. Aiming the maximum benefit, that's more benefit is maximum benefit, shows your efficiency, or at the same time with a fewer resources, with a limited resource, you are able to achieve the same benefit what you were attaining earlier. Both denotes your efficiency. Say for example, you have 100 staffs with you and you need to complete a huge task within a day. You are planning in such a way that the task can be completed with that limited resources of 100 employees. That shows your efficiency if you complete that assigned task. Now, if few employees among those 100 is not feeling good and they takes leave, then that 100 becomes even less. Probably take for example it is 85 or 90, 10 members are on leave. So 90 members. So with that 90 members also, if you can able to achieve the same target, then that denotes your efficiency. So that's what we say, less resource and more benefit, or with few resource the same benefit, will denote your efficiency. Obviously in the management, these two terms, effectiveness and efficiency, are like the two sides of a coin. So the two terms, effectiveness and efficiency, are different but they are interrelated. So they are first interrelated, and next you have to understand one more thing is they both are considered to be the two sides of the same coin. So, I sum up what we learned today so far. We have seen something on what a management is all about. It is nothing but the process of getting the things done with an objective of achieving the goals with effectiveness and efficiency. And then we also saw the terminologies such as what is a process, what is effectiveness, what is efficiency is all about. And also we saw that when we say management is a process, that process consists of planning, organizing, staffing, controlling, or also your directing. And when we talk about this efficiency, there we saw the clue word as PP, which means process and primary. Process is a primary function. So PP is a connecting word. Whereas when we talk about efficiency, we're just trying to connect it with some clue words such as C, because the term efficiency denotes doing the task correctly, and thus it is with minimum cost. So hope I think you understood the concept. For the day, we'll look after the remaining aspect in our next session. Thank you, students.